Left my scooter outside the dairy. Next minute.
Kia ora koutou e te whānau. How are you going out there in your lockdown? What are you getting up to? You going out for walks, taking your whānau, your pets, riding your bike? Recipes, pepeha, karakia, give us a waiata, a picture, a post. Kei a koe te tikanga, as long as you have fun. Hei kōnei rā.
Should be worrying about his court date.
When's it next week?
Next what?
Next week.
Next week.
Next week, yeah.
Next week.
Oh, come on.